Forecasting cash inflows and outflows with assumptions. Welcome to the fourth lesson of Module 6. Henceforth, we're going to build on the foundation of the cash flow template we laid in the last lesson, building a monthly cash flow tracker. In Lesson 2, we created an automated cash flow tracker with only two assumptions: the volume growth and the opening cash balance. In this lesson, we'll try to make the cash flow a little more realistic by introducing seasonality. This is because sales volume does not necessarily increase by 2% every month. There are months we'll have more sales and months we'll have fewer sales. We earlier assumed that the 2% growth rate would cover this fluctuating sales volume. Overall, there are seasons when there are spikes in sales, and the 2% sales volume would become misleading. For example, in the bakery business, there are spikes in sales in December. This assumption may not be consistent with all locations. This is why you should be sensitive enough to take note of months when there are likely to be spikes in sales for your products. For example, in our FMCG business, we usually notice that sales increase more during the school period than during holidays. This might be the opposite for some businesses, e.g., a hospitality business. So, in this lesson, we shall introduce assumptions that will distort the cash flow we already built in the previous lesson. Note that hard coding is prohibited in our model, so we are using driver-based forecasting. Thus, like Fortune 500 companies, we predict behavior rather than the actual amount. The forecasting drivers for the model. We will split our forecast drivers or assumptions into two: inflow or sales drivers, and the outflow or cost drivers. The inflow assumptions would affect the sales volume and price, while the outflow drivers would control the fixed and variable costs. Both assumptions will only affect the operations cash flow. We will not touch the investing and financing cash flows because they don't happen often. For startups, it may happen within the first year of the business. For existing businesses, it may happen once or twice a year, depending on growth prospects. So, we'll specify values for the following assumptions: monthly sales volume growth rate, seasonality, volume growth, and price percent, inflation rate/price hikes, especially during seasons, fixed cost price adjustment due to inflation, especially logistics costs during seasons or sudden rent increases. We will always start with our base data using the sourdough loaf. You can add more products on your own. The base data is: sales volume equals 2,000 units per month. Selling price equals 3,500 per loaf. Variable cost per loaf equals 1,455. Total fixed cost per month equals 1,625,000. Rent for bakery equals 450,000. The assumptions that will drive our cash flow forecast are: monthly volume growth equals 2%. Seasonality volume growth equals 15% for month 12 only. Cost hike of 3% after 6 months. Seasonality cost hike of 7% on the 12th month. Seasonality price hike of 7% on the 12th month. Fixed cost increases. A. Rent becomes $500,000 on the 9th month. B. Other overhead costs increased by 5% on the 12th month. With these assumptions, we can now create a realistic cash flow forecasting template. Creating the cash flow forecasting template. Using the above assumptions, let's now update our previous cash flow tracker. Including the above assumptions will make our forecast more realistic and reliable for business decision-making. Follow these steps. Step 1. Set up the worksheet. Open the saved Greenleaf Bakery Financial Model Workbook if it is not already open and navigate to the Cash Flow Worksheet. Right-click the Cash Flow tab and select Move or Copy from the context menu. In the dialog box that appears, select the Create a Copy checkbox. Under Before Sheet, select Cash Flow. Click OK to duplicate the template. You've created a copy of the Cash Flow Worksheet. Rename the worksheet to Cash Flow Forecasting. If you protected the workbook earlier, go to the Review tab. Under Protect, select Unprotect Workbook. Step 2. Set up the drivers in the template. On the cash flow forecasting sheet, add the following in the assumptions section. 1. In cell E2, type seasonality and enter 15% in cell F2. Select cell F2. On the Review tab, under Comments, select New Comment, then enter Volume Growth in December in the comment box. 2. In cell E3, type Cost Hike and enter 3% in cell F3. Select cell F3. On the Review tab, under Comments, select New Comment, then enter Costs Increase from month 7 in the comment box. 3. In cell H2, type Season Cost and enter 7% in cell I2. Select cell I2. On the Review tab, under Comments, select New Comment, then enter Material Costs in December in the comment box. 4. In cell H3, type Rent Hike and enter $500,000 in cell I3. Select cell I3. On the Review tab, under Comments, select New Comment, then enter Starts on the 9th month in the comment box. 5. In cell K2, type Season Price and enter 7% in cell L2. Select cell L2. On the Review tab, under Comments, select New Comment, then enter December Product Price Hike, month 12 only, in the comment box. 6. In cell K3, type Fixed Costs and enter 5% in cell L3. Select cell L3. On the Review tab, under Comments, select New Comment, then enter December Costs Hike, month 12 only, in the comment box. 7. Select all the labels, Seasonality, Cost Hike, Season Cost, Rent Hike, and Fixed Costs, and bold them. Note that you can structure your assumptions section as you like. Use this format only for this lesson. Now that we have created our assumptions, let's create the engine of the cash flow template. Step 3. Create the automation using functions. Here, we'll retain the structure and format of the template and change the functions in the Operating Activities Cash Flow section only. Let's proceed as follows. 1. Volume growth. Here, our formula will ensure that volume grows by 2% from month 2 to 11 and by 15% in month 12. A. For month 1, the existing formula remains equals inputs D36. B. For month 2, use the following formula equals if not D5 equals month 12. Product C7 1 plus $C$2. Product C7 1 plus $F$2. This will apply the 2% volume growth to months 2 to 11 and the 15% volume growth to month 12. C. For months 3 to 12, use the autofill handle to copy the formula to the other cells. 2. Cash receipts, sales here. Our formula will ensure that the price of our product increases by 7% on the 12th month. A. For month 1, use the following formula. Equals if, not, C5 equals month 12. Product, C7. Inputs, $B $36. Product, C7. 1 plus $I $2. Asterisk inputs, $B $36. B. For months 2 to 12, use the autofill handle to copy the formula to the other cells. Three. Variable costs. Here we'll accommodate 2 cost changes. The first cost hike of 3%, which takes place from the 7th month, and the seasonal cost of 7%, which takes place on the 12th month. To get this right, we'll use a function that will help us extract the values in the month items. That is, we need to extract 1, 2, 12 in the month X line items. This will help us apply operators to determine month ranges. We can use any of the following functions depending on your version of Excel, write, and text after. Use text after if you are using Excel 365 or Excel 2021 and above. So A. For month 1, use any of the following formulas. Equals if, value, write, C5, len, C5-6, 7, product, C7, inputs, $C $36, if, value, write, C5, len, C5-6, 12, product, C7, 1 plus $F $3, asterisk inputs, $C $36, product, C7, 1 plus $I $2, asterisk inputs, $C $36, or equals if, value, text after, C5, month, 7, product, C7, inputs, $C $36, if, value, text after, C5, month, 12, product, C7, 1 plus $F $3, asterisk inputs, $C $36, product, C7, 1 plus $I $2, asterisk inputs, $C $36. B. For months 2 to 12, use the autofill handle to copy the formula to the other cells. 4. Take note of the following in the above formulas. A. LEN is used to count the number of characters in month X. B. LEN-6 is used to subtract month from the number of characters. Note that the space is counted. C. Text after D5 month is used to identify month X and subtract month from it, leaving only the number, e.g. 1, 2, 12, D, value. Remember that month X is a text. So, this function is used to convert the text item to a number. E. Write C5 LEN C5-6 is used to return the rightmost value after month has been removed. So, this function does the same thing as the text after function. 5. Fixed costs. We'll also use similar functions as used in the variable cost calculations. Take note that rent increased by $50,000 in the 9th month, and other fixed costs increased by 5% in the 12th month. So for month 1, enter the following formula. Equals if value, text after C5 month, 9 sum TB_overheads. If value, text after C5 month, 12 sum TB_overheads. Inputs $B $14 plus $I $3 sum $I $3 sum TB_overheads. Inputs $B $14 asterisk 1 plus $L $3. Here, from month 1 to 8 retains the base total overheads. We remove the base rent and add the new rent amount in months 9 to 12. And in month 12 we increase other fixed costs without rent by 5%. B. For months 2 to 12, use the autofill handle to copy the formula to the other cells. Six. Other sections of the cash flow template remain as they are. Conclusion. This is a sample cash flow forecasting template reflecting business reality. By separating your assumptions from your calculations, you create a model that is flexible and alive. You can use this as a model to create your own cash flow forecasting template to reflect the realities of your business. You can further use the template as a model to create cash flow forecasting templates with different scenarios, base case, worst case, and best case scenarios. To do this, adapt the system we used in Module 5 by creating a scenario switcher, then different product volumes, costs, and prices based on scenario assumptions. This is your Module 6 project. Share your scenario-based cash flow forecasting template with your colleagues for critiques, approval, and collaboration. If you have questions or need assistance at each stage of your template, do not hesitate to call our attention via the comments or using the question button.